Hello there. What's going on, Forex traders around the world? This is Mohammed Kande coming at you. With a quick analysis on AU. This is actually a setup that I had put together on Sunday when I do my market analysis. So it's on Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you guys take a look over here, the market had come above over here and broke above this pretty much resistance. Market retested it as a support. It didn't hold, so the market broke it. So I just want to show you guys a couple of things that I'm working with over here, right? I love, absolutely love head and shoulder patterns. And if you guys take a look right here, the market is kind of, it looks like the market is kind of making one over here, right? Let's take a look right here. Right? You see one right here, and then we have another one right here. Bear with me. Technical difficulties on the iPad. I hate doing markups on the iPad, but literally right before I slept, I wanted to do this quick little analysis video for you guys so that way you can see why I entered the market, right? Confluence. All right, so I have a head and shoulder pattern right here, right? So the market looked like it's completing that last shoulder. And if you guys remember, the market spiked down all the way here, right, to this support. Market shot back, right, and retested this area right here, this structural area. If you guys take a look right here around the 72.18, market retested this area right here. So I was actually patiently waiting for either the market to break. If you guys see, I got a little I have a long rectangle right here. I was actually waiting for the market to break this to the upside to continue on, or to break this support line to continue to the downside. So that's what I was patiently doing. If you guys look, I already have a position set right here. I entered the market at 71.43. My stop loss is at 71.70. So I'm risking 27 pips on this trade. Possible 200 plus pip trade right here, right? So I just wanted to show you guys. So let's take a look and see how I enter the market, because I know that's the $1 million question. The question is always, well, it's all good, you're marking up your chart, but how and why did you enter the market, right? So this is simple right here. Very simple setup, right? I had a little pennant right here, right? So what happens with these right here, the market is pretty much trapping people in here, right? So if you guys take a look right here, let me put this up here. If you guys take a look, the market just keeps printing lower highs, right? So you have a high, right? You have a lower high, lower high, lower high, right? Until the market breaks this area right here, right? This area supposed to be really strong support, and now the market has finally broke the area. And if you guys see, I had a little zone in this area right here. So those are the few little confluences that I had. So of course, on a bigger time frame, which is also very important to do, if you guys take a look right here, the market had actually pulled back completely to the top right here. The market had pulled back. And if you look at this zone right here that I had marked off for you guys, 72.30 that I was telling you guys, very important zone, right? You can see the head and shoulder pattern over here on the weekly as well that's formed. It becomes a little bit more eminent on a D1. So that's pretty much, that's the simplicity of it all. As you guys can see, I don't have a bunch of crap on my charts. I just mark it up, support and resistance, trend lines, structure area, and I get into the market. Very simple. I'll keep you guys abreast of the trade. Happy trading. Let's get some massive pips this week. I also got a couple of other entries that I'm going to share with you guys, so that way you guys will see these live trades as I take them, so that way you will have better understanding of the market. So just a quick recap. I waited for the market to break my support. I didn't quite get the retest that I wanted, right? So that would have been my way to get into the market right here about 20 pips ago, but I didn't get that retest. So I waited for the market to break this line right here, this trend line that I got marked off, and this zone right here. When the market broke it on the H1, I knew that it was go time. So I did a market execution, risking 27 pips, possible 200 plus pip trade right here. If you guys take a look right here, let me pull up the short position. I got into the market. Let's see, right Boom. I'm risking 27 pips. Boom. So this is a 10. This is a 11-1 ratio. I am risking 27 pips to get 290 pips. So happy trading, everybody. I hope that this helps somebody out. I hope this helps understand how the market works and how to get into the market and risk minimal pips. Happy trading. Any questions at all? Don't hesitate to leave them in the comments.